In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use expressions in your flow to manipulate dates and times. We'll be exploring how to add days to a date by using a simple expression, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you can effortlessly incorporate this into your own workflow. Let's begin by addressing where you'll find the tools to create this expression. Within your flow, you'll want to locate the action where you can utilize an expression. This might include using functions like compose, initialize variable, or set variable. Alternatively, you can directly input the expression in a field where needed. It's important to know where to apply these changes, as it sets the stage for effectively implementing our task. Now, once you're set up in your flow, you'll need to navigate to the Expression tab. This is where the magic happens. The Expression tab is your primary playground for crafting the logical instructions that drive your automation. From here, we'll start writing an expression. For our demonstration, we'll compose a statement that adds days to the current date. If you're unfamiliar, this is particularly useful when scheduling or automating reminders and tasks. Here's a simple example. Typing addDays, UTC now, 5, ye, mdd, into the Expression tab instructs the system to take the current date and add 5 days to it. The output will be presented in a clean and concise YYYMMDD format. This format is universally recognized, making it perfect for logs, updates, or any sort of communication where clarity is a must. What if you already have a date you're working with? Say one that comes from a SharePoint item or direct user input? No worries. You can easily substitute the UTC now function with your specific date reference. For example, if you have a field in your flow with a date, you would modify the expression to something like addDays trigger outputs, body/your date field, 10, MMDDE. This expression tells the flow to take your existing date, add 10 days to it, and then deliver it in the MMDD format, which can be handy depending on your localization needs. Once you've crafted your expression, it's time to use that output. Whether you derived it from a compose action or a variable, this new date can be implemented seamlessly into other areas of your flow. Perhaps you need it to set conditions, determining if a particular event should proceed. Or maybe you need it for updates, to automatically inform team members of upcoming deadlines. Even in email notifications, ensuring everyone has the precise next steps lined out with the correct dates. By utilizing expressions like these, you not only streamline repetitive date calculations, but also enhance the flexibility and functionality of your automated workflows. Keep experimenting with different expressions to discover all the possibilities they offer. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy automating!